Hey there, my name's Nick. Welcome to Borsellino Carpentry. So I wanted to start a YouTube channel so I could give away everything that I've learned over the last 18 years doing construction. So on my channel, I hope to provide how-to videos. We'll do some tool repairs, equipment setup, things like that. Basically anything that I do on a day-to-day basis, being a carpenter, contractor, that might help someone else who's just starting out, or maybe has been in business a while and looking for some new ideas. I know that I, over the years, have done a lot of research through YouTube and Google, the internet, books, everything. You can only learn so much from other people in the field. Sometimes I've had to do outreach to get that. So I figured, knowing that about myself, that maybe it was time for me to start giving back. So that's my goal for this channel. I hope that it helps somebody. You know, I'm not looking to get 1 million subscribers, and this is not my retirement fund. I am merely doing this just to help other people with their projects. So like I said, hopefully this can help someone. Hopefully that someone is you. All right, have a great day. Thanks for watching.